To keep us at our best, our bodies constantly renew themselves. Our mission is to make it even better by supporting the body's ability to regenerate itself. Welcome to Dentsply Sirona's state-of-the-art facility, home to OSSIX Regenerative Solutions portfolio. Our commitment to high standards and innovation drives everything we do. OSSIX products are created with our unique GLYMATRIX technology. In this process, porcine-sourced collagen is extracted, purified, reconstituted, and cross-linked using sugar as the cross-linking agent.
Our manufacturing site is GMP compliant and certified according to ISO 13485 Medical Device Quality Management System. The manufacturing takes place in a qualified clean rooms to ensure product safety.
Our newly built facility includes a well-equipped R&D lab to support our existing and future regenerative products.
The manufacturing process is fully automated and monitored via designated software. We emphasize our environmental responsibilities with advanced wastewater management systems as well as temperature control systems.
Our factory supports global distribution, reaching over 55 countries worldwide. It is built for mass production, ensuring capacity will never be an issue. The Education Center includes training rooms for dental professionals. OSSIX products, powered by GLYMATRIX technology, set a standard for remarkable regenerative power. Join us as we lead the future of guided bone and tissue regeneration. For more details, visit us at regenerative.dentsply-sirona.com.